June the 2nd, 2019. Guys, this storm we've been watching, what you're seeing now, and the latest geo-satellite images from the National Weather Service, is starting to get some rotation over the Bay of Campeche. The water is very warm. All of my friends along Texas and Louisiana and Alabama, Mississippi, Florida, you know it because the waters are much warmer than they should be in the Gulf itself, and we've had record temperatures for May along the Panhandle. But looking at this close-up, guys, you can see that the thunderstorms have not completely wrapped it. That's why one reason this video is going to be short, because I want to wait to the 4 p.m. update. This update is just a few minutes old. Notice 1:19 p.m. It's a 60% chance of formation. They're saying this broad area of low pressure is expected to move slowly northwestward toward the coast of Mexico, and it could become a tropical cyclone before it moves inland in a day or two. Regardless of development, it will produce heavy rainfall over portions of southern and eastern Mexico during the next few days. Air Force recon mission scheduled for this afternoon has been canceled. It says, however, another aircraft will be looking at this tomorrow. Now, the rotation in this update on the spaghetti models is why I wanted to go ahead and give a heads up on what the storm is looking like. Notice the difference in these models from yesterday. All of the models, and they've added a couple, kept the storm inland or allowed it to come back offshore just southwest of Houston, Texas for a brief minute. But these long lines that you're seeing, especially the purple, orange, and the yellow one cuts into Texas, but all of those give the storm plenty of time to get back over warm water and very warm water and reform. Notice the two bottom lines skirt Louisiana, New Orleans, Gulf Coast of Mississippi, Alabama, and part of the Panhandle of Florida. And the storms are much wider than these center of rotation paths. But again, Sunday at 1:30, this was updated, so it's not old. But I'm looking for the 4:30 or 4 o'clock report, guys, and we'll see from there, because we're starting into the heat of the day. But since the rotation looks like it's beginning, like I said, and these spaghetti lines are looking more concerning, this will give you a few hours to think about what's going to happen. Now, the next couple of days, it's going to be either in the Bay of Campeche or trying to go inland into Mexico. After that, so we'd be looking at Tuesday, this thing could be getting back out in the Gulf. But a couple of the models really doesn't let it come inland until it gets up into central Texas. So we know they're going to change, but they are changing back to the east. And that's where it gets dangerous for the southern U.S. Guys, it's a heads up. We're watching it. You watch it. Be safe.